Hey everyone, today we are opening the Dell 15 DC15250 for reliability, display quality, benchmarks, battery life and more lab data. Read the full review on LaptopMedia.com. The link is below. Let's dive in. To reach the internals, we remove 8 screws and lift off the bottom panel. We are using a JIS number 1 screwdriver. This captive screw stays in the cover. As it loosens, it opens a small gap. The last screw works the same way. Here is the loose captive screw and the gap it creates. Now we show the last screw from close up. The cover lifts as the screw backs out. You can see the opening point clearly here. The removed screws are all the same length. With a thin plastic tool, we start releasing the bottom cover clips. Keep the tool shallow, so it does not slide inward and touch components. The bottom cover is now removed. This is the battery connector. These are the 2 memory slots. The processor sits here. It is under a single fan cooling system. Here is the solid-state drive. This is the Wi-Fi card. This bay is for a hard drive or the larger battery layout. First, we disconnect the battery. You can check the result of our battery life test on LaptopMedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. We remove the battery screws. Dell lists 2 lithium-ion polymer options, a 3-cell 41 watt-hour pack, and a 4-cell 54 watt-hour pack. This unit has the 41 watt-hour battery. Here is the 41 watt-hour Dell battery. We remove the solid-state drive shield. It is an EMI and RFI screen and also works as a support bracket and heat spreader. This is a 512GB Samsung M.22233 NVMe drive. Official support goes up to 1TB over PCI Express 4. We reinstall the drive and its shield. The storage part is done, and next we move to the memory slots. This module is an 8GB Adata DDR4 3200 SO-DIMM. The laptop has two SO-DIMM memory slots. Depending on the configuration, Dell uses either DDR4 or DDR5 memory. Here is a look at the touchpad from underneath. That is the inside of the Dell 15 DC15250. You saw the accessible memory, the compact NVMe drive, and the simple single-fan cooling system. In our full review, we also cover display quality, battery life, thermals, and real-world performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.